Hello from Lordhair. Today I'm here to talk to you about the MW1 stock men's hair system. The product code for this system is Novo. This system has a mono base and a PU perimeter that has 3 distinct layers. Now let's take a look at the base of the system. As you can see, predominantly there is fine mono. This is durable and built to last. At the very front there is fine welded mono. This is very similar to lace but is far more durable. All around we have our PU perimeter that is to 3 distinct coats. This makes the system easy to apply, maintain and clean. Now let's take a look at the top of the hair system. The hair length is 5 to 6 inches and it comes in a medium hair density. This is in a freestyle hair direction, so the hair can be parted and styled however you seek fit. There's only one colour available, which is the colour in my hand, 1B. This is a natural black and a very popular choice amongst hair system wearers. The MW1 comes in 5 different base sizes. We offer a professional base and hair cutting service, so your system is ready to be worn as soon as it arrives. As with all of our stock hair systems, this comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee and immediate shipment, meaning it could be with you in as little as 5 working days. If the MW1 interests you and you'd like to find out more, then please visit our website at www.lordhair.com or email us at support@lordhair.com. Alternatively, you can telephone us at +86 532 8082 8255.